video is on. Hi. Unmute yourself. Yes, unmute yourself.
Great. Yeah,
Yes,
yeah.
I can hear you now.
Me as well. Yeah. Hi.
Okay, hi. Hi. Where are you calling from, Faraz?
I'm calling from Greater Noida.
Okay. I'm Kulsum, and this will be a demo
Hi.
session with Clappingo.
Sure. Thank you. Yeah. Looking forward to it.
So, can you introduce yourself to me?
Absolutely. So, hi. My name is Faraz, and I've been living here. So, I've recently been shifted from Delhi to Greater Noida. It's been a year that I've been living here with my family, and yeah, I have been working for I guess for the past 7 or 8 years, and I'm working in the healthcare sector. Earlier, I was working in the travel sector, but due to sudden shifts change, that happens very often. So I wanted to like I want to have a job wherein I can get fixed Saturday Sunday offs. So this was the option. I gave the interview and got selected. So since then, it's been 2 years that I've been working in this field. uh, yeah, so it is fine. And working from home, though, from the last week, I started like my manager, so there's some particular process when they had asked us, all of us, to against resume our work from the office. So again, I've started going from to the office. Yeah.
Okay. And you hope to improve your English, right? Is that why you
Absolutely.
are
Yeah.
on Clapping? Yes. So,
Yeah,
tell
like I just want to be a fluent speaker. So yeah, yeah, please go ahead.
So let me know your point of view, what you feel is lacking currently with respect to your English, and let me know your point of
Absolutely. So what I feel is sometimes I feel fluently, and uh, I get stuck sometimes whenever, let's say, if I have to explain you anything, if I watched a movie, or if I have to explain a scenario. So like I just want to be like very like I don't need to think before I speak. So like it should be buttery smooth, like the words should flow. So
view.
and yes, the major reason is that I I would like to make my career in like related to the language. So like in this field only. So I've done English honors, and I've been working like with the international BPO since very long now. But yes, still I know that I and one of the major reasons is that I also want to know. I want to assess myself that where actually I stand, so that I can improve. So, uh, I had given an interview in Cvent. There is one company, I don't know, you must have heard about it, Cvent. So,
I haven't heard
uh,
about. What does it deal?
you haven't heard about it? So it is equivalent to Amex. So it is uh, again a BPO. So it is a KPO actually. So the interview process there is very difficult. So I gave the interview and I wasn't selected there. And so I guess, and yeah, one of the major reasons is that sometimes I stutter as well. I have been working hard. Earlier, I used to stammer a lot, but I
Mm-hmm.
have been working hard. My inspiration is Ritik Roshan. So I have learned a lot from him because he also used to stutter a lot, used to stammer a lot. So
Mm-hmm.
I have been working a lot on myself. Like it's been so many years I have been working on this, and I am able to overcome it. But yes, sometimes let's say if I'm nervous, so I get stuck, and yeah, and sometimes I get stuck so badly that I have to think so much. You tend to. So there are some people who are very confident and they don't speak well, but they would speak anyhow.
Okay.
And and at times there are some people like me that who would make the conscious effort all the time, and ending up making a few mistakes, or
Oh,
I would need more time.
I did get your
Yeah,
point. Yes, yes, I did get your point. You wish to become much more fluent and you wish to sort of vocalize your thoughts in English in a very smooth way.
absolutely. Indeed. Yeah.
Yes, yes. So that will come more with practice. I feel the more you practice, the confidence will build automatically.
Yeah.
Okay, there
I
are minor
agree.
mistakes. Okay, as in you do tend to skip out certain words unconsciously. Obviously, you know it has to be there, but when you are in the flow, when you are speaking, you tend to skip out a word or two. Like, I remember one sentence that you said, you skipped out the word speak. Okay, you just said I fluently. Okay, you have to say I speak fluently. Obviously, you were in the flow. It is difficult for you to recognize where exactly it is occurring. You can rewatch this video. We always have the, um, a Clappingo provides you the capacity to rewatch the videos that you normally attend. Okay, once you subscribe to it, so you can always rewatch videos, understand what mistakes are being made, and plus we will also, when you are speaking, we will analyze the way you are speaking and where you can improve.
Absolutely. Okay.
Okay.
Sure.
And one other thing you have said, I think absolutely 3 or 4 times. Okay, this might
It's
be,
repetitive.
yeah,
Yeah.
yes, it is repetitive. So it might be a pattern on a subconscious level. Okay, so try and instead of using absolutely, either skip it or use some different kind of a word. Okay,
Sure.
because a lot of people, what happens subconsciously, we are comfortable with one word or the another, which we tend to just put it as a filler till we process our
Just to fill
thoughts.
the gap. Yeah.
Yes, yes. So that I think might be happening with you. You can just switch to some other word or just stay silent for that 1 second. Okay.
Yeah. Taking a pause won't harm. Yeah.
Yes. Okay. So yes, I'll just give you a gist about Clappingo. Okay, this is just a demo session, but once you subscribe to it, every time you have a session with a speaker, you have the liberty to choose the speaker according to what you feel. Okay, is okay with you. We have a list of speakers. Every time a list of speakers will be given to you, and from among them, you can choose any speaker you wish to have a conversation with. We are from different
Absolutely.
backgrounds. Like I'm a doctor, I'm a dentist. Okay, plus I just reside in Mumbai and I've been good at English since my college days and everything, and that is why I'm a
Yeah.
speaker. Yes, I'm a speaker here, so we have people from different backgrounds, so that will give you the confidence of speaking with different people and strangers. Okay, and you will improve. I feel it's just a lack of confidence and the way you connect your thoughts to the way you speak. And what are your hobbies?
I read. Like I have been reading. I love to read, and I'll see. Can
Oh
you
my
see?
god, you have a huge stack of books lying out there,
Yeah. See. Yeah. And you
and
might be
another
able to
stack next to you.
recall this one.
Oh,
Yeah.
you are an
Right.
avid reader.
Yeah. Right now I'm reading this one. Yeah. So
Okay,
yeah.
so tell
So
me about your favorite authors, and which book do you really connect with, and would you recommend to someone? What would you recommend to me? Even I like reading, but as of now, I haven't been reading a lot.
there are many books. Like there is no one genre that I like. Like it depends upon my mood, and it solely depends upon the kind of book that I'm reading. So
Hmm.
I really like fiction, and
Okay, you like
uh,
fiction.
yeah, you must have read that book, Artemis Fowl.
Which
This
one?
one,
Which one?
this one, Artemis Fowl. Wait. Let me. This one is really good. Let me show you. Yeah, this one. Are you
Okay.
able to see
Hold it a bit high.
Jon Kofler, Artemis Fowl? So this one
Artemis.
is good,
Okay.
and I recently finished this one. This was a very difficult task. I like Atlas Shrugged by Ayn
Okay.
Rand. So
Mm-hmm.
yeah, this one. So I got to know about this book. Uh, that this is Shah Rukh Khan's favorite book,
Okay.
Atlas Shrugged. But
Atlas, what?
I
Can you
I
say that?
want to
Atlas
Atlas Shrugged.
shrug. Okay.
Yeah, yeah,
The kind
Atlas
of a
Shrugged.
shrug that we wear. Is it?
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Okay.
It is. It is. Yeah, yeah, yeah. The shrug. But the meaning is totally different. It is not that shrug that we wear.
Okay. That's nice. I am more into non-fictional books. I started with fictional books, but I enjoy the non-fictional right now. More into personality development or something that explains a certain kind of concepts. I'm more into that kind of reading.
Okay. So, so I have recently started reading these books, uh, Power of Subconscious Mind and Think and Grow Rich, and
Mm-hmm.
I'm finding these books very helpful. It,
Mm-hmm.
of course, it would certainly broaden our minds if we read these
Certainly,
books.
certainly.
Yeah,
Reading is, I think, something which is underestimated. Okay, you don't know how it will change you, and it changes you in different on different levels. It changes your thinking, it changes your personality, it changes everything about
right, right. I agree.
you. Okay, so apart from reading, what do you like to do?
I like singing,
Oh, you
and
like,
I have a guitar as well. Yeah, yeah, I
oh, you play a
sing
guitar
and
as well. Are you a
yeah,
Shah
I
Rukh
play.
Khan?
I play.
You like to read Shah Rukh Khan's favorite book? You like to play the guitar? I don't know. It's just I'm guessing. Are you a Shah Rukh Khan fan?
He's one of my like he is indeed my one of my favorite actors. Yeah.
Mhm.
So,
Uh,
but my favorite actor is like I'm an Amir Khan's fan. So since childhood, when his first movie came, Qiyamah Se Qiyamah Tak, so I have been like great fan of his. So yeah, but I really admire Shah Rukh Khan, like
okay.
so hardworking and really admire this like all like or for that matter like if we take any example like these big shots like Hrithik Roshan, Salman Khan, and of course so they all are very hardworking. So yeah, like if we have these idols, so of course we would be able to reach it to some extent where we can do good with our lives.
Yes, yes.
What I believe, yeah. Like I haven't reached anywhere right now, but still working on it.
I'm sure you will. I'm sure.
Thank you.
Okay, it happens with time. Just give yourself time. Keep on working hard, and be flexible to change. That is important.
Yeah, right.
Okay. So I do hope to look forward to you joining Clappingo. Okay, and do take sessions. Okay, every time we have a different topic and a new topic, so that will help you become much more confident. And we always give a PDF file along with it, so there is new vocabulary which you can just brush through. Okay, regarding that topic, and you will always have a new speaker. Depends on what you want and whom you wish to speak with. So that will certainly improve your confidence, and be as impromptu as possible. Don't rehearse your speech beforehand, or don't think in depth about the topic beforehand. Okay, just be impromptu, and I'm sure that will help you establish a connection with what you're thinking and how to verbalize it.
Okay, sure. And I guess before we before I let you go, if you could just put some light on it, like if you can eba- elaborate it further, like a little further, the course, I mean.
The session, you mean to say?
Yeah, yeah. So would it happen on a daily basis, or does it
It
happen
depends
on a weekly?
it depends on what you've subscribed for. If you go to the Clappingo website, okay, there are different plans listed out there, whether you want it thrice a week, whether you want it once a week, or whether you want it